Hi guys, in this video we'll look at the difference between the usage of factories in Laravel 7 and Laravel 8, because I've seen like many people are a little bit confused at how to use factories. So yeah, let's dive straight into it. This is a project which we have Laravel 7, Laravel 8 freshly installed. First, let's check Laravel 8 factories pattern, database factories. This is how we used to define the factories. Factory define factories. Use this user class, and these are the attributes that are added for the user. And let's check and in the console, Laravel 7 Tinker. And this is how we used to call these factories. User dot and this is how we used to use factories in Laravel 7. But let's have a look at Laravel 8 now. In Laravel 8, if you go to database factories, user factory, now this is a class, there is a namespace to it, but in Laravel 7 there was no namespace to this one. This was just loaded as a file directly, but this is loaded through Composer, so this has more added advantages. This is how they defined the factory in Laravel 8. If for each factory there is an associating model. And in this model, if you look at this, there is a has factory trait. In the has factory actually exposes one static method factory. This will be we'll look at now. And let's try Laravel 7 way of using the factories in Laravel 8 and see like if it works or not. Let's go to Laravel 8 and let's boot up our Tinker. This is how we use Laravel 7 models. We know that previously actually all the models were placed inside the app directory, but now they have added the models from the directory to add the models. So we'll use this. Let's see if it works. It didn't work. So and this is the thing. So they changed it a little bit, and now we can use an object-oriented approach completely. App models user. Cool. Now this is the right way to use the factories, and let's see how it actually gives us an added advantage. Let's go to this factory, user factory. Now we know like how to actually manipulate these changes. For example, if we need some user for which email is not verified, for that we actually will use an unverified method, and we will return state function. This will return an array with any change you will make to the attributes. Let's say email equal to null, and let's see if this works. Let's exit and reboot again. This is the default factory. Email is verified, and let's use this unverified method. We will just chain it. And now you can see email verified as well. And now let's see how we can use it in our seeders. Actually, if you go to seeders, database seeder, let's uncomment it. Now this will create a user for which email is verified. Let's try to create some user for which email is not verified. And let's see the database. Cool. Database setting completed. Let's look at our database now. Cool. There are two users, for one email verified and the other email is not verified. So yeah, this is an added advantage. We can actually maintain the state. You want to add an added user, you want to add verified user, you can use, and let's try with is active. Let's make it default to false, and let's add another state. verified. It will take an function. Let's return the change state values. Okay. Let's boot up Tinker again, and let's check this function, and we'll wrap it up after this. Okay, unverified. Okay, now we will see unverified but is active. Okay, we need to change this method. Let's verify that. Let's put up again. Let's make it. Now you see, if you put is active, now you can change as many methods as you want. Now this is the edit, right? You can just go to seeder and you can actually create as many users as you want and as many chains as you want. If you don't want this, you can use any combination you want with your states and it will work. It will always work. Of course, we don't have is active actually field in our database, so we are not going to run that, but this is the concept. Yeah, cool guys. Let me know if you have any questions for Laravel 8, Laravel 7, 5, 6, 4, or package development, design patterns, anything. I would be happy to assist. Cool. Thank you. That's it for today. Cheers. Bye bye.